Meow. Bum, 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 bum. Here is my new collection of clocks, of antique clocks that I got at a local auction. Most of them were only $1. I was so happy to get them. This one, the Waterbury, was $10 and an unbelievable bargain at that. The two wall clocks were also $10. I'll share with you now some of the better tones that I heard from these mantel clocks. Here is the Plymouth clock. I thought it had an interesting half-hour chime. Thought it sounded like a doorbell. And then I'll show you the hour chime. Which is much simpler than the half-hour chime. I enjoyed the tone of this Gilbert clock. There's the half hour. Pretty nice midtones. This clock also had some pretty good midtones to it. There's the half hour and the hour. This New Haven clock kind of reminded me of the clock that my husband got me for my birthday. It has richer tones. I do think that my own clock has a little bit of a deeper tone than this, so I think it's a bit superior, but here we go. That's the hour. I think this clock is a little bit confused. And here is our fancy clock. It has kind of high-fluting sounds as well. Half hour. And the hour. The wall clocks, unfortunately, they don't have any chimes, but I like them still just the same. They're still gorgeous. You can tell because a clock that has a chime will have two of these holes to wind for both the time keep and for the chime. Well, thanks for watching, and thank you for letting me show off my new collection of clocks. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. Let me know what was your favorite clock chime in the comments below. God bless.